Good evening, people. I am wanting to bring you guys into my kitchen and share a recipe that I'm going to do today. I want to deep fry some chicken and wrap it with bacon. Buttermilk chicken, buttermilk deep fried chicken, whatever. It just came. I normally bake it or fry it, but it's what I want to do. So I have me some chicken thighs here, already cleaned and pulled the skin off. Make sure you clean your chicken yourself. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the whole. I got my milk and my eggs, and what this is this is flour and the 4C breadcrumbs. More of the breadcrumbs than the flour, of course. So then, I got my season. I got my black pepper. I love me some McCormick, so I got my roasted garlic and herb, cayenne pepper. My double. I love basil on my stuff, and of course salt. I have my bacon here. Asamaya. I'm eating nothing but asamaya bacon. That's just me. I gotta put a dash of salt and a little pepper. Just whisk that together. Just to give it an egg wash. So I've already seasoned some of the flour, but I'm still going to season my chicken. I'm going to start with my adobo. And everyone know when you plan on making your own little breading or whatever for your chicken, your fish, my roasted garlic and herb, which I love from McCormick's. It's just really good. My basil. I put basil on my meat. Gives it a flavor that's amazing. The cayenne pepper. Sprinkle it. We all know cayenne pepper is strong. A little bit goes a long way. Not everybody love a kick in their food. I do. Alright, so I'm going to cut the bacon open. What I'm going to do is get you a nice deep fryer. Okay? Well, this is not a deep fryer, but it's a pot. It's a sizable pot where if I want to, I can do what I need to do. Take some chicken. I'm going to wrap it in the bacon. Okay? We got the bacon. Now, once it's wrapped, that's how it's going to look. So, you take it and you wrap it. After you wrap it, you give it an egg wash. Give it a nice little egg wash. Once it has a nice egg wash, you wrap it again. Okay, so I'm going to do this to the rest, and I'll be back. Okay. I have the rest of the chickens covered with bacon, and I'm about to do the same thing that I did to this one. This one is already wrapped in bacon and breaded. The oil is heating up in the pot. You really want to get your oil hot. When you drop your chicken in, it should sizzle. If it don't sizzle, then something's wrong. It ain't hot enough. Heat it back up. I'm thirsty. So once I dip those in, Spread them real good, and the oil's hot. I'll be back. Wyatt, say bye to the people. Say bye, baby. Say bye. Say bye. Mwah. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to take it nice and breaded and just go ahead and put it on there. Do the same. You know, take one, put it on the spoon. Go ahead and get it on there. Okay. Now I'm going to just keep doing the same and repeating the same process. I put 2 in. I'm going to just put 2 more because you never want to cause your chicken. And when it's done, I'll be back with the finishing product. Alright, bye. Okay. So, I've had the chicken in for approximately 20 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Should be ready. It should be nice and, oh yeah, this is beautiful. Look at this. This is gorgeous. You see that? Go ahead and put it in there, let it drain. You see how gorgeous and beautiful that is? Let me really. Are you looking at that? That's pretty. I mean, that's gorgeous. That is a beautiful piece of chicken. Yeah, it's nice and just golden and golden brown. It's a beautiful color. See that, girl? Isn't that beautiful? Go ahead and put that in, dog. Look at this. Let's go ahead and get this 4th one out. So pretty. Alright. And here's the last one. The very last one. Same process. Give it an egg wash. And 1 more bread. And get this whole right on in there. Touch it. Is this beautiful? Look at that. Deep fried buttermilk bacon wrapped chicken. Alright. I'm taking the rest out. Yeah. That's beautiful. Put this over here. There we have it. I'm making cornbread. As you can see, I'm making cornbread. And I'm making a Sakatimi cake. I like to bake. I like to have several baked goods done, but that's it. My deep fried buttermilk bacon wrapped chicken is done. I'm going to drop these green beans in the fryer. In the deep fryer, same oil I did the chicken in. They're from Schwann's. I love Schwann's. Really good. Hello, T. And also, guys, I really wanted to share something with y'all. You know, we all bake. One of these, you know, it's electric. You go ahead and you just plug it on in. It's from Braun. I love them. You know, it's your automatic stirrer, automatic whipper. I love it. All you got to do is hold it. Just plug it in. You stick this back on inside, and you press there, and it does it right for you. You know? It's amazing. I love it. I'm pressing it down so the whipper that's swirling can whip up that dry batter that's on the bottom and make it moist. That's what I'm doing now. I'm getting all the dry batter down. It's supposed to be wet too with the rest. much when it comes up. It don't splatter all over the place, and you know what I mean? Yeah, it splatters just some on the bowl, but it don't splatter all outside and make a whole big mess of the kitchen. I love this. I mean, it was still real good. And I'm done. And take it in. Tug it, wash it, and you're good. Get it.